Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the your account has been temporarily blocked issue on Instagram. If you're facing this problem, follow these steps to regain access to your account. Instagram blocks accounts when users violate community guidelines, such as following too many people in a short time, excessive likes, or using third-party apps. Read the message carefully to understand the specific reason. Next, try logging out of your account by going to your profile, settings, scrolling down to log out, and then logging back in. This can sometimes refresh the app and lift temporary blocks. And if you've been using any third-party apps or bots for automating likes or follows, stop using them immediately. Instagram can block accounts that use these tools. Then wait for the block to expire. Temporary blocks usually last 24 to 48 hours. During this period, avoid interacting with posts, following accounts, or performing any suspicious activities. Just wait it out. And next, update Instagram. Make sure your app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates for Instagram, as sometimes an outdated app may cause issues. If the block persists, you can report the issue. Go to your profile, settings, scroll down and tap help. Then select report a problem and explain the issue you're experiencing. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the temporarily blocked issue on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.